Are you tired of floating readers because of simple writing mistakes? Whether you are crafting a social media post, sending a business email, or working on a blog, your words matter. That's where Grammarly comes in. With Grammarly, you can instantly transform your writing from a page to attention-grabbing, ensuring every sentence is clear, engaging, and error-free. Say goodbye to embarrassing typos and hello to confident, polite writing that stands out. Ready to elevate your content? Grammarly is your secret weapon to writing success, and it's a just click away. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Grammarly. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into grammarly.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So we have here firstly responsible EA that ensures your writing and repetition finds. Work with an EA writer partner that helps you find the words you need to write that tricky email to get your point across to keep your work moving. Then we have if you scroll down be writing be results, be perfectly professional, clear and convincing in a few clicks, not a few hours. Then we have it the right text for the context, get personalized suggestions based on what you are writing and who will read it. Then we have here works with where you work, Grammarly works across all the apps and sites you use. No copying, no pasting, no context switching. If you never go out of style, Grammarly understands both your personal style and your brand style guide to help you find your voice. Then we have this is responsible EA, not compromise on security, will never sell your data provided for advertising purposes or allow third parties to use it to train their models. So Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help you improve your writing by detecting and correcting grammar, spelling, and also punctuation and style mistakes. It offers real-time suggestions to enhance clarity, tone, and overall readability, making your next more polished and professional. Grammarly can be used across various platforms, including web browsers, desktop applications, and mobile devices, helping users write confidently in emails, documents, social media posts, and more. So first of all you have to do is click over here and you get started. So we have here also pricing. So as you can see, we have here it's free, be confident writing is mistake free. So we don't have to pay. We have also another one which is pro. You can just pay and then you get started. Then if we come back, we'll find here at the top how you can get started and sign up. So here we have it. You can just click over it and you will find this page. So you have to write your email address and your password, then your name, and you click over agree and sign up. If you already have an account, you click over here and you write your email address and your password, then you get started. So here we have by signing up you agree to your terms and conditions. You can just click over here and you read terms and conditions, also the privacy policy, and then you click over agree and sign up. You can also use other options like Google, Facebook, Apple. Once you do that, you will find this page. Tell us a little about yourself. We will use your answers to help you get the most out of Grammarly. So we have here most my writing is for work, school, or other projects. I will select the one you want. The one you want, you select it. For example, I will select other projects. Then I will click over next. Then we have in my other projects are related to select all the apply, hobbies, social networking, professional development, volunteer work, creative expression. Then we have classes and workshops, other also. Then you click over next. Then you will find this one. I mostly write select all the apply, like we have personal communications here, such as emails, messages, invitations. Then we have public posts like social media, blog posts, and we have also creative content like stories, poetry, and we have then career and documents like resumes and portfolios. Then we have here also outreach materials such as flyers, newsletters. Then we have also educational materials like notes, worksheets, and we have exercise. Then we have also other. You can just select all, or you can just select the one you want. Then you click over next and you will find this one. I write in the following apps and websites, select all that apply. We have here Gmail, Word, Slack, Outlook, Teams, LinkedIn, Google Docs, WhatsApp, Discord, Google Sheets, PowerPoint, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find the home page as you can see. So you have just to follow these steps to get started with Grammarly. We have the first one: create an account. Get started and find out what you can accomplish with the power of Grammarly at your fingertips. Then we have here track a quick tour. Once you see how Grammarly works, you can just click over start tour like that, and you will find this page. So let's wait for it. Then once you do that, you will find then right on a popular website. This is the third step. Try Grammarly on one or more top websites below. So for example, we have here Gmail, Outlook, or Google Docs. So here we have Google Docs. So to use Grammarly with Google Docs, start a new document or access an existing one. Grammarly should automatically activate. As you write, Grammarly will underline any grammar, spelling, or style issues. Simply hover over the underlined text to view suggestions and click on them to apply the corrections directly to your document. With these steps, you can easily enhance your writing in Google Docs using Grammar. Then we have the fourth step, which is explore other grammar apps. Get suggestions from Grammarly when you write in all your favorite platforms and devices. So here we have it. You can just install Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, so this is how it looks, and for Windows this is how it looks. Then we have Grammarly for iPhone, iPad, and here we have it. Then we have Grammarly for Android also. You can just click over install and you get started. Then we have also here the next step, which is customize your experience. Add words to your dictionary and let us know your language background. So here we have your dictionary. Improve your Grammarly experience by adding words to your personal dictionary. These words will no longer be flagged as misspellings. So for example, I will add word. Then you click over assign. For example, I will write word, and then I will click over assign. Once you click over assign, you will find here added words here, and that's it, how it works with the dictionary. And if you forget the words, you can just come back here and you will find it again. So Grammarly is a powerful writing assistant that goes beyond basic spell checking. It helps you produce clear, polished, and engaging content by correcting grammar, punctuation, and style in real time. By utilizing its features, you can enhance your writing and communicate confidently, making Grammarly an essential tool for anyone looking to make a lasting impression with their words. So this is how it works with Grammarly.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.